having such dream because you still have it in mind. It's time you tell yourself the truth. You can't continue to live in the illusion of having him back.
It's not about illusion or anything at all. I have the strong feelings that he will definitely come back to me. Emenike will certainly come back.
That will be when you're old. And trust me, he won't love you when you're old.
Old? Why are you talking like this? I mean, if you understand the kind of love Emenike and I share, you wouldn't be talking this way. He will come back. Nothing will ever stop him from coming back to me.
Uchechi, I have this aunt from my mother's side. She waited for this man she loves deeply for 10 good years. 10 years. Do you know this man ended up marrying one ugly lady? Uchechi, you're a lady. We're like flower. If you don't get married now, a time will come when you need a man and you won't find one.
I understand where you're headed, but not when it comes to Emenike and I. Emenike loves me and I love him in return, and I'm sure he will definitely come back to me.
Uchechi, open your heart to Akonam. He loves you.
I understand, but love has depth. It is love we're talking about here. I am not disputing the fact that Akonam does not love me, but I love Emenike more. And you know that.
Akonam loves you as much as you think Emenike loves you.
Please do not discourage me. Hey God, you don't discourage me. I totally disagree with you. Totally disagree with you.
Hey bro. I've been looking for you everywhere. What's troubling you?
I keep seeing her in my dreams.
Oh?
My woman, Uchechi.
Oh. If you really love her so much, why not send a message across to her to get married to someone else?
Why did you say that?
You don't know how long you're going to spend here.
Well, if I become a free man and she is still single, I'll marry her.
And then why do you think she hasn't come to see you? Don't you think she has found love? Think about it. Let's go.
What is the problem? Talk to me.
Nothing.
Nothing. Huh? Can you tell me nothing? And you're like this. Come on, talk to me. Talk to me. What's the problem?
Akonam, nothing. I'm fine.
But it's not possible now. You are saying nothing and you are moody. If there's any problem, you share it with me, then we'll know how to find solutions. Come on, talk to me. Talk to me. Problem shared is a problem half solved. So talk to me, let me know.
I said I am fine. I'm okay.
If you say so, no problem. But deep inside my heart, I know you're not fine. I don't want anybody to come now and I think I've done something bad to you. So you have to cheer up. Oh. If there's no problem, I will believe you. But you have to cheer up. Huh? Smile for me. Anyways, that aside, I have a surprise for you. Let's go to my house. Smile. You cannot be going for surprise. You are still moody. You are doing like this. Smile. Don't worry, you smart now. I told you I have a gift for you. Very big present. Don't you know you're a queen? And smile for me. Smile now. You need to be smiling before I present the gifts. Yeah, wait for me. Oh? Yes, this is the gift. Have it.
Akonam,
What?
what is this?
The gift I told you about.
Listen, I don't want your money. Why? Is this not part of the money your brother sent you to start up a new business?
No. This is the money I have been saving. I even have a PG bank that I was saving it. I was actually saving this money to present to you. Now it's big.
Well, I'm sorry. I don't want your money.
Why? Huh? Why don't you...
Because I don't want.
Oh, okay. Now I understand what the problem is. I know why you're not happy. I have decoded the problem why you're not happy. Now you know what? I have spoken to my brother and he said he's going to sponsor it. I'll come with my kinsmen to perform the marriage rite. Now smile. Smile, are you not happy now? What have I said wrong? What did I say? Was the money not big enough? Yeah.
Uche!
Did you shoot Chechi?
She just ran past me now. What happened?
Nothing, thank you.
Even if Isia had told me that you would end up like this, I wouldn't have ever believed. Do you believe he did it?
No. I don't believe he did it. Emenike can't hurt a fly. He cannot steal. Emenike doesn't go for what he does not like. That boy is obviously lying against him.
What boy are you talking about?
There's this boy that said he's part of their robbery gang.
What? My Emenike? Part of a robbery gang? God forbid. You know that's not true. That's not possible. Why on earth have they chosen to implicate him?
I don't know.
What is all this? What is all... Me looking at his face, Papa. I knew he is innocent. My man is innocent of all these accusations. Why would that boy lie against him? Why are people so wicked? The world is terribly wicked.
I went to see him when I heard about it. It was so clear that the boy does not know what he's talking about. But one thing is for sure. Anyone that is involved in this conspiracy will not see the end of the year.
That is not even it, Papa. I'm so scared. I am really, really scared. He'll be charged to court a day after tomorrow.
Don't worry. The truth will come out.
The truth?
Yes.
The truth you say, Papa. How many times has an innocent man been vindicated in this country? We're not even talking about it.
What God does not want will not happen.
I understand you, Papa, but that... I'm losing my mind. I'm totally shattered. I'm broken. I don't even know where to start from. I don't know.
Jeez, okay. Let's sit together. Let's sit together.
Why would they be doing this at this point, Papa? Now they'll be charging him to court. What is all this? An innocent man.
Just pray for him, okay? Just pray for him.
Yes. How did you go? Talk to me, Papa.
You know, 2 people were shot dead during the operation.
2 people were killed?
Yes.
But what's the final verdict? What did they say?
And so, for that reason, he has been sentenced to life imprisonment.
Gigi, you can't continue like this. It's been 5 months now and you're still crying. You have to move on and be happy.
It is not easy for me. You have no idea what I'm passing through. You won't understand, and it's very going to be difficult for you to understand. I don't even know what to do. I am shattered, broken, I'm losing my mind. I don't even know. I've lost myself completely.
If you continue crying, you will hurt yourself.
I will even do worse. I don't even know. I don't...
It's okay.
It's okay.
What do you mean you can be better than this?
I can be worse than a woman who is hurt. I can be more broken than this. Life itself could be better than this. Life can never be better for me like this again.
Stop saying that. You have to move on with your life. You have to put behind you these shackles of pains. Come on. You're a beautiful woman. So many men in this village will be glad to have you and take good care of you, protect you.
Did you just say that to me? Yes. Well, it's very easy for you to say because you're not in my shoes. You don't know the pains I'm feeling. The pains I've felt over the weeks and months. You have no idea. But it's not easy for me to do. I cannot forget Emenike like that. I love him with everything in me. I can't do a thing like that. I cannot.
I understand. But are you ready to wait for eternity? Do you want to wait all your life, waiting for someone who is in jail? You don't even know when he's going to come back. Listen, you are not getting any younger. You have to move on with your life. Please. Move on. Stop shedding tears. Wipe your tears. Stop crying.
Even after so many months, you are still very fresh in my heart.
Gigi, what is the problem? Huh? Why did you run away? Oh,
Did I say anything wrong? Talk to me.
Jeez. You can't continue to live in the memory of the past. The only way you can unite with him is in death.
What are you saying? Huh?
Come on. Take good care of her.
Stop.
I wish to be left alone, please.
Stop. I can't leave you alone like this. You're crying. Just stop crying, okay? I'm here for you. I'm here to protect you. I will stand by you. Come rain, come sun, I'm here. Okay? Please. Please stop crying. Please. Wipe your tears. No, stop shedding tears. It's okay.
Diogo, no. I'm not supposed to give you 3.
2 is okay.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Please sit down. Sit down.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, sorry, sir. Sorry for the delay.
We had some little challenges which we tried to resolve before coming. But anyways, we are here now, sir.
Well, I thought you were not going to come again. It's okay.
No,
Right.
of course.
Oh, I'm sorry. Important things too. We are here now, sir.
Che. It's cool.
Ịma na ọ bago m n'aka mana ọ bụrụkwanụ nkọnkọ. Ndị be anyị sị na onye nweta ọjị weta ndụ.
Kebe eziokwu.
Ọ ga-adịrị unu mma.
Ise.
Ọ ga-adịkwala anyị nwa mma.
Ise.
Iji unu ubi a ọ ga-abụkwanụ nke ọma.
Ise.
Ọ ga-abụ nke ọma nye anyị nwa. Ọ ga-abụ nke ọma nye unu.
Ise.
Ọ ga-abụ dị ka echi ada agwụ agwụ.
Ise. This cool or not? I don't understand.
Don't worry, nothing.
There's no
bear. There's no bear here.
Family of me.
Okobi. Okay. So you can now have your own, yours.
You're my elder brother now. Take.
He's still upset.
Let's see it on the
It's alright.
So my elders, you know why we are here. So, and we see the
flower.
The flower we came to see.
Well, I was going to wonder because you did say we have a beautiful flower in the compound. And, anyway, we indeed have a flamboyant flower in my compound.
We thought you would enjoy the color not first.
Hey God, please stop.
What is it?
I honestly don't think what I'm doing is right. It's not.
Please don't start. Don't bring shame upon your father and all of us.
I'm not bringing shame upon anybody. I'm no longer comfortable with this whole thing. It doesn't go down well with me. It's not. Not happening.
What do you mean?
My conscience. My conscience wouldn't just let me. I can't continue with this. I cannot leave Emenike just like that and then move on with my life. I can't do a thing like that.
What's all this? Can you stop this madness and get ready? Get ready, we don't have much time.
It's not happening. I'm not doing it. I'm meeting on. Don't do it though.
The Goldie. The Goldie.
Papa, good afternoon, sirs.
Yeah,
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Papa, I'm here.
go and tell Uchechi that Akuna and his brother are here. Fast.
Good. That is how it should be. Yes, that's it.
Your father is calling you.
Go tell him I am not interested anymore. I can't marry Akolami.
Go and tell him yourself.
And I said I'm no longer interested.
And I said, go and tell him yourself.
I will not.
What is even wrong with you?
Nothing. Change my mind. I can't do this to Emenike. Cannot.
She will soon be here.
Okay. Okay, waiting. Patiently waiting.
They will soon be here.
We're not in the haste. It's not because of how we came here. Wait. Wait.
Uchechi, are you not aware that Akuna and his brother are here? Ego, didn't you tell her I was calling her?
Papa, I did. But she's here talking rubbish.
I am not talking rubbish.
It's rubbish.
It's not rubbish. It is my decision. I already told you that I am no longer interested.
Why? But you were the one that sent for them.
Oh.
Yes, I changed my mind, Papa. Papa, I did. I don't want any more.
This girl wants to disgrace me. Okay. You will have to go in there and tell them yourself.
I will do no such thing, Papa. You help me and tell them.
No. You will follow me right now. Follow me now.
Okay. Let me see. It's okay. Don't worry. We'll be back. What is it?
I don't know.
Kobe, you don't look happy. What is it?
Uchechi wants to put us to shame.
What is it?
She had refused to come out. She said she wouldn't want to continue again.
Is she not aware that these people are coming today?
She was the one that told me to invite them.
Very well. Where is she now?
In the backyard.
At the backyard. Yes. Let's go and see her. Okay, let's go. Uchechi, what your father told me, is it true?
It is true, Ichi.
Didn't you think about it before accepting him?
The truth is I already thought about it. And I found out that I cannot continue with this anymore. I can't.
Why?
That's because I do not want to hurt myself. And I still love Emenike so much, so I'm willing to wait for him till he returns.
Oh. You want to wait for a man that will be in jail all his life? What is the problem?
Let her be.
Now, what do we tell them?
Well, we'll find the right words to tell them.
It's okay. I am going home. When you find the right words, then go ahead and tell them. This is really baffling.
You understand this? I don't understand also. I want to stay out here. Oh, nice. How about that? Where is he going to? Where is he going to?
Please. Something just happened.
What happened?
I'll send for you.
What happened? No. Is she alright?
Uchechi is okay. I'll call for you.
No, God. Why? I don't understand. We're already here. So why calling for us even when we're already here?
I will send for you.
I think I need to go inside to know what is really happening.
Akonam, just come.
No, let me.
Akonam, hold on. Let's go home.
We should go home.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Akonam, just leave this.
No, let me.
I say you should leave it. What's this? Let's go home.
I said let's go home.
I just hope you don't regret what you just did.
I won't regret anything. I've not done a bad thing to have followed my heart.
It's okay. I'm not stopping you from following your heart. I'm not. Even if it means your heart leading you to hell.
I'm not regretting anything. I love my Emenike. I don't like her.
Egodi.
Is this you?
Egodi.
You're back! Hey, you're welcome.
What are you doing here?
You're welcome. I'm so happy to see you. Welcome back. Hey, Emenike.
I'm going home.
Hey. Emenike. I'm so happy.
I'm going home.
Why is he acting strange? I need to tell Uchechi! I mean, you can't believe who I just saw now.
What did you say?
I saw Emenike.
What are you saying? You saw who?
Emenike!
Stop pulling my legs, Egodi. Stop taking me back to what I'm trying so hard to forget.
I know you won't believe me. I'm serious, I'm not joking. I saw Emenike.
Wait, you mean to tell me that you saw my Emenike?
Yes. I saw him in a car.
Hey!
Yes. I saw him in a car with...
You saw my Emenike? What side?
I saw him in a car with where? Come.
My love!
Uchechi!
Where is she going to?
We're coming, Papa. You're funny.
Honestly, yeah. I really want to thank you for everything. If not for you, I would have died in that jail.
But I told you I could have done more than that to make sure you are out of that place. You know, that kind of place is not meant for somebody like you.
Suffer though. It's not an easy place. But thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It's alright. You know, from the very first time I saw you, I fell in love with you. So that was why I did that for you.
I appreciate everything. I'm grateful. I'm very grateful. I can't thank you enough.
It's alright. You know what? I need you to get your things ready. I want us to visit my house in the city. You need to start a new life. I need to start up something huge for you.
Something huge for me? Are you serious?
Yes.
But wait, haven't you done enough for me?
I have not even started with you.
Are you serious? Thank you.
So,
thank you so much.
Tomorrow morning,
okay,
I'll be coming to pick you up. Okay? All right.
What is it? Why are you screaming my name like that? Huh? Wait, what is it now? You want to break my neck?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You're holding my neck. You want to break it?
It's me who changed it. Baby is okay. Where is she?
She's one of these village girls around.
Wait, what did you just say?
I'm busy now. Can't you say I'm busy?
What did you just call me?
Wait, let me finish. I'll bring you.
Excuse me, please. Maybe I have to go. Now I have a lot of things to do. Okay, so you take care of yourself and remember to yes, I'm coming to pick you up. Bye. Is this a dream? Is this a dream? Bye. Alright. This has to be a dream. This has to be a dream.
You just drive back.
What is this?
Huh?
Who is this woman?
Huh?
What did you just do?
Hold on.
Menike, I'm talking to you. Who is this woman? What have you done? You just kissed another woman in my presence.
Huh?
What's the meaning of that?
What?
Menike,
huh?
Is this some sort of movie or what?
Who?
What was that you just did?
Who? What was?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know me? What is wrong with you?
That's my business partner.
Menike just kissed another woman here and Menike, you're telling me something else. I don't understand.
What is it now? You want to pull out my hand? At first it was my neck. Now you are holding my hand. You want to pull my hand out?
Menike.
Ha!
I don't want to believe this. It's just I don't understand you. Menike, you just kissed a woman in my presence.
What's wrong with you now?
Hi. Hey, good. My head is on fire. My head wants to explode. I cannot take this anymore. I'll just kill myself.
You can't.
I will kill myself.
You can't kill yourself because of a man. If you had listened to my advice, all this wouldn't have happened.
What did I ever do to you, Menike? Is that woman better than me?
No, she's not.
Is that one?
You cannot be.
Is that woman better than me? Is that woman better than me?
Please.
Hi! Please. Timo! Menike, I go make you. Somebody should just tell me. Someone should just tap me and wake me up from this dream. Someone should please wake me from this dream, because this cannot be reality. Cannot be.
Papa, I'll be going so I can go and make food for my father.
It's alright, thank you so much.
Gigi, stop crying. Go in, take your bath. This is not the end of the world. Papa, please take care of her.
Alright.
Hey! Papa, I just want to believe that this is real. I don't want to believe it.
Uche, listen to me. Uche, if the world have rejected you, do you want to reject yourself too?
Papa, is it not good that I'm dead? Is it not better that I'm dead?
Go inside, have your bath, sleep.
Melike, excuse me. Excuse me. What is remaining? Nothing is remaining now.
My love, I will wait for you. If I saw a fuck, I come rain, come shine. So get come no be. I am nothing without you. I cannot live without you. Will it ever be better? Can I ever recover? I was stabbed in my heart, and it is difficult to heal. If tears will bring you back, then I'll cry you a river. Man, I can't get my love, where are you?
What is it? You have been following me from that junction. What is it?
I just want to have a word with you if you don't mind.
You want to have a word with me?
Well, I'm the guy you showed the way to the palace the other day.
I showed you way to the palace.
Yeah, I don't know if you still remember.
So do you want to still go to the palace today? Are you missing your road?
I'm not going to the palace today. I just want to have a word with you, that's all. I mean no harm, okay?
You want to have a word with me, and I don't want to have a word with you. Stop following me.
Baby,
Just stop it. What of thing? Are you jobless? What of rubbish is that?
Just give me a...
Do you have to follow me to my father's house?
Well, I do not bite.
I don't care if you bite or not. Just get out of this house.
Why do you sound so harsh on me? I mean, this is the first time you met me, isn't it? Look, I don't know, you sound like someone who's been hurt by men, you know, I don't understand. Look, I'm sorry, Ricky. I'm sorry to hurt your feelings, okay? I didn't mean to. I'm really sorry about that, okay?
You're not the one. Just leave me alone. Just go.
I just want to have a talk with you. Oh, baby. Please just give me a chance, okay? Please. Oh. I just want to talk to you. No. Uchechi.
You're welcome.
Well, thank you. So how are you doing?
I'm doing fine now, and you?
I'm doing great, as you can see.
Okay.
Uchechi. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. And you?
Well, I didn't.
Why?
I kept thinking about you all night.
That's sweet though.
So, you mean... that means I'll go back sleeping again.
It's up to you.
Well, I've come to ask you something, Uchechi.
What is it?
You know, with the little time I've spent with you, my mind has been at peace.
That's good though. It's a good sign.
Thank you. So I want to ask you for this.
What is it?
I know it might sound weird or crazy, but I mean it from my heart.
What is it now?
Please marry me.
Marriage? Amban. No, Alex, I can't.
But why?
There are so many whys, though. I can't begin to say all now. Please, please, if this is why you came, you have to go. You finish, you go.
Uchechi. 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 I've come to discuss something with you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Can you give me a chance to take care of you?
Take care of me, Kwa. Haven't I told you? I've told you several times. I'm not cut out for this. I'm not ready.
Listen, Uchechi. If you join me in the city, I will leave my company for you to manage. Please.
Hey, that means you want your company to fall now. How can you tell me that you want to give me your company to manage? What do I know about your company? How do I know about management? Don't even go there. It's not even about giving me your company to manage. It's about whether I am ready for this. And I've told you, I am not yet ready. How is it difficult for you to understand?
Well, it's alright. I have not come to argue with you, But please think about it. And if you in any way change your mind, you can give me a call, okay?
Girl, I'll think about it.
I'll be leaving.
Bye-bye.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Uchechi! Uchechi! Who compound is dead? She's not so busy this morning. Uchechi, where are you? Has she gone to Eminike's place early this morning? No. Uchechi!
Minike, don't do this. Listen, Minike. I will kill myself and my blood will be on your head.
Uchechi, you will kill yourself.
And the blood will be on whose head?
Your head.
On my head. If you kill yourself, you go to hellfire.
Meniki, when did you suddenly become this mean now?
How?
What have I done to you this mean?
Uchechi, you're in my way. Can you leave? I want to pass.
What? Stop holding me now. Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me?
Baby, what's going on there?
Please come and take me out of here.
It's my boyfriend.
Who's your boyfriend? How?
You.
Please, it's okay. It's okay, please.
Madam,
take
he's
me out
my
of here.
boyfriend.
Eh?
He's my
Excuse me,
boyfriend.
please.
How?
Get into the
How?
car.
You are my boyfriend.
Excuse me, young lady. What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Please, get into the car. It's okay.
Etiko, you cannot do this to me.
Huh? I cannot do what?
You can't leave me.
Watch me leave you.
Oh my God.
Excuse me, please.
Madam,
Do not stay in my car, okay?
you cannot come to my village and take my man away. You can't come and take my man away. Emenike, listen, you cannot do this to me. Have you suddenly forgotten everything we've been through together in this village?
I can't do it to you. You said you want to kill yourself and put the blood on my head. Okay, let me show you how to kill yourself. Go to the road. Stand in the middle of the road so that a car can run you over. No, start this car, let's go.
Emenike, you just said that to me. That's so funny. Emenike. It's over. It is over. It is over.
My love, I will wait for you before sun fire.
Young lady, what's your problem? I'm gonna talk to you. What's your problem? Why are we walking on the road aimlessly? Almost knocked you down. Are you okay? Talk to me. Are you okay? Why are you crying?
Sorry.
It's alright, okay? Where are you going to?
Papa.
How are you?
Papa, good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's it, Chichi?
Oh, Chichi, I woke up this morning. I didn't find her. I thought she went to your house.
No, she didn't come to my house. Unless maybe she's with Emenike.
Oh, maybe.
Okay, I'll check up on her later.
All right then.
Take care of yourself, Papa.
Where did you find her?
I saw her along the road, walking absent-minded. I almost knocked her down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chichi, if you kill yourself because of a man, I will not bury you in my house or in any of my lands. I'll just dump you into the wolf forest.
Papa, besides, what man are you talking about?
Oh, ask her, she will tell you herself.
What is going on? I saw you wailing and crying along the road. Who is this guy in question?
The world has capsized over me. I am getting drowned in the harsh arms of the river.
Listen to me, man. I won't allow you to do this to yourself. And also, I won't allow you to hurt your poor father. I'll come pick you up tomorrow and take you to the city, okay? So you can clear your mind and get over him. Okay? Let's go inside. I'm busy now. I'm busy. Come, I'll take you inside. Alright? Just go like this now. I'm busy now. Okay, Papa.
Yeah.
We'll be leaving now.
Yeah.
I will invite you over to the city when Uchechi is feeling better.
All right. Thank you so much, okay?
You're welcome.
Uchechi, as you are leaving for the city, please leave everything about this village behind, okay? Hmm?
Okay, Papa.
Alright, Papa.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Let me have your bag.
Yeah.
Let me help you with the bag.
Officer, this is the stupid girl. The shenanigan that has been jumping through my fence to steal from me. I need you to arrest her. Take her to your station. Make sure you beat her well. Torture her. If possible, use hot iron on her until she confesses who she has been selling my items to.
Hot iron for what? Madam, are you okay? Other police, I've not done anything wrong, go.
Young lady, you're under arrest.
Sir, that is what I'm trying to tell you. I have not done anything wrong. I walked in through that gate. I did not jump any fence. I came here and told her I wanted to see somebody. She said, okay, I should sit down. Did you not ask me to sit down?
Please shut up.
Don't shut me up. She asked me to sit down and I sat down here waiting for her. Now she went to call police. Other police have not done anything wrong.
Will you shut up? Officer, don't mind her. This girl is a hardened criminal. She's a criminal. Look at her clothes. Look at her clothes. How dirty it is when she was trying to jump through my fence.
Other police, look at me. With this skirt, can I jump through the fence?
Do your job. Take her away.
You want us to handle you